Check out this 1998 Pontiac Trans Am T-top coupe. This particular car came to us on a trade-in. It has been massaged a little bit underneath the hood. Very nice sounding, good running car. Has some horsepower to it too. So let's get to what's under the hood a little bit here. So start out with a 5.7 liter V8 underneath there, which this would have the original engine that would have came with it. Little tinkering, little tweaking has been done to it. LS6 hot cam and LS6 intake have been put on this. It has been retuned by Dyno USA out of South Dakota, and actually has been dynoed at putting 350 horsepower to the ground, so it's to the rear wheels. Now, to handle that extra horsepower, it has had the tranny rebuilt, so it can handle that extra horsepower. Some other things that's been done to it to help the drivability of it. Strut tower brace in it, subframe connectors, so has been stiffened up some. Has Eibach Proline lowering springs, SLP intake done to it also. So there's some of your modifications. Nothing crazy, just make it a little more horsepower, a little more fun to drive. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see what I'm talking about as far as what it looks like underneath the hood, underneath the car where the subframe connectors are, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, you can click on the link. It's going to take you right there. You can also call us too. Be happy to tell you about this car and help you out with it. 507-386-1726. You will find a few little rock chips, little imperfections up in the nose cone and in the paint. Typical on a car like this with the nose that it has. Car has a little over 85,000 miles. It was approximately 87,000 miles on it. So it has been driven. Nice driver quality car. It's a paint, nice condition, but I want to let you know there are some rock chips and what you're going to expect a car to look like with this miles on it. On the nose, it does happen. Other than that, not a lot of dings, nicks, or scratches in it. Still shows very, very nice. As you can see, chrome wheels, more of a Corvette style wheel on there. You're going to have disc brakes all the way around on this one. It is, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold. Did have that blowing cold. There's been an aftermarket Pioneer stereo put in there. As you can see, that works fine. Again, automatic transmission, and that has been rebuilt to handle a little more horsepower out of this car. T-tops are in the trunk, in the holder, where they have the factory spot where you can lock them right in. Just a great idea from GM to have a place to put those T-tops in there, secure and safe. The sunscreens are also in the back there that go on the T-tops, so it's got the glass T-tops, but there are sunscreens that will hook up to that T-top. And again, you can check that out all in the pictures. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist you with getting this vehicle transported to where you're located at. Nice dual exhaust. I believe it was SLP exhaust also. You can take a look in the pictures on the underside and see that too, but you got the quad exhaust coming out, the basically two duals. Should say dual exhaust into two outlet pipes. Wing on this one, nice shape. Sometimes you'd notice cracks underneath the wings and on the pedestals. Nice shape on this one. Once again, still pictures, so you can check this thing out. Look at it close. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Our phone number, 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out. Down below this video, there is a link. Click on it. That'll take you right to the still pictures on our website. Look up and down the driver's side here. Again, you can see not full of door dings, nicks, scratches. A few here and there, yes. You can expect out of the miles, but overall extremely nice shape. Let's go ahead. We're going to fire this up so you can hear it. That's one of the best parts about this car is listening to it run. And let's check out how nice this interior is yet too. Door cards, obviously power windows, power locks, power rear view mirror. Take a look at the seat. Nice shape again. Considering miles, leather's a nice shape. Driver's or passenger seats, even nicer. And of course the rear doesn't look like it's been sat in a whole lot. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Fire this up and let it warm up. I want you to be able to hear this run. We'll check out the exact miles on here too. 87,031 miles. As you can see, there's no indicators as far as warning engine lights, anything like that. You can see the gauges all came up and worked. It's aftermarket Pioneer stereo. Volume was right here, and that did work. I had that working earlier. Like I said, I had the AC going. All right, so listen to this a little bit here. Very impressive sounding engine. Slip around to the back here. Nice little healthy rumble coming out of that. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video a second. We're going to pop the hood. I want you to be able to check out underneath there, see this thing run, check out the engine bay. So hold on a second here. Hood's popped. Let's check out the engine bay. As you can see, hood liner, very nice shape also. Considering this car is 20 plus years old. There's your SLP intake. Strut tower brace. See how smooth that runs. Again, tuned by Dyno Tune USA out of South Dakota. Put down 350 horsepower to the ground. Smooth running, fun driving 1998 Trans Am. So there you go. Once again, financing is available. We do consider trades. We can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. Of course, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can see the still pictures. Down below this video, click on the link. It's going to take you right there. Number 507-386-1726. Give us a call.